When people talk about operating systems today, the conversation almost always turns into a battle of convenience versus control, familiarity versus freedom, and performance versus ecosystem. On one side, you have Windows, the dominant force in personal computing for decades, evolving into what many are now calling Windows 12 in concept, a continuation of Microsoft's push toward AI integration, cloud dependency, and a tightly controlled user experience. On the other side, you have Linux Mint, a community-driven, open-source operating system built on stability, simplicity, and user ownership. At first glance, this comparison looks like just another tech debate, but when you really dig into it, the truth becomes much more complicated, and honestly, not something most people talk about in mainstream discussions. To understand the real difference, you have to stop thinking about operating systems as just software and start thinking about them as philosophies. Windows represents a controlled ecosystem where everything is designed to work within Microsoft's boundaries. Linux Mint represents freedom, where the user decides almost everything, from how the system behaves to what it becomes over time. This difference alone shapes everything else: performance, privacy, usability, gaming, productivity, and even long-term cost. Windows 12, in its conceptual direction, is expected to push even harder into AI-based assistance, cloud syncing, and subscription-based features. The system is designed not just to run your applications, but to actively observe usage patterns and optimize experience through machine learning. On paper, that sounds advanced and helpful. In practice, it means your operating system is constantly making assumptions about what you want, sometimes correctly, sometimes not. It also means more background processes, more data collection, and more reliance on an internet connection for full functionality. Linux Mint takes a very different path. It does not try to predict your behavior or automate your digital life. Instead, it gives you a stable desktop environment and steps back. You decide what runs, what updates, and how deep you want to go into customization. For many users, especially those who are tired of constant changes in mainstream operating systems, this simplicity feels refreshing. But it also comes with responsibility because freedom without guidance can feel overwhelming for users who just want things to work. One of the biggest differences that nobody fully explains clearly is system ownership. In Windows 12, you are essentially a licensed user of a highly controlled environment. You can customize some aspects, but deep system behavior remains locked. Updates are mandatory or heavily encouraged, system telemetry is integrated, and certain features are tied to Microsoft accounts and online services. Even basic things like default applications or system integrations can sometimes feel influenced by corporate priorities rather than user preference. In Linux Mint, the system belongs to you in a much more literal sense. You are not forced into accounts, not pushed into online ecosystems, and not restricted in how the system evolves. You can even remove or replace entire components of the desktop environment if you want. This is powerful, but also intimidating for users who are used to plug-and-play simplicity. Performance is another area where the difference becomes very visible. Windows 12 is expected to be heavier than its predecessors because of integrated AI services, background analytics, and visual enhancements. Even if hardware improves, software demands also rise. This is a pattern that has existed in Windows for years. A system that feels fast on release gradually becomes heavier with updates and background services. Linux Mint, on the other hand, is known for being lightweight and efficient. It can run smoothly on older hardware that struggles with modern versions of Windows. This is not because Linux is magically faster, but because it avoids unnecessary background processes and keeps system design minimal. For users in countries or regions where upgrading hardware frequently is expensive, this becomes a major advantage that often gets overlooked in mainstream comparisons. However, performance is not just about speed. It is also about stability. Windows systems are known for occasional slowdowns, registry issues, driver conflicts, and update-related problems. Microsoft has improved stability over the years, but the complexity of the system means issues can still arise unexpectedly. Linux Mint is widely praised for stability, especially in long-term usage. Once properly installed, it can run for years without requiring reinstallations or major maintenance. But this stability depends heavily on proper setup and user understanding. When it comes to software availability, Windows 12 has a massive advantage. The majority of commercial software, professional tools, and especially games are built primarily for Windows. From Adobe products to Microsoft Office to AA gaming titles, Windows remains the default platform for most developers. This dominance is not accidental. It is the result of decades of ecosystem building. Linux Mint, however, relies on open-source alternatives, compatibility layers like Wine, or native Linux versions of software. While the situation has improved dramatically in recent years, it still cannot fully match Windows in terms of mainstream software availability. This is one of the biggest reasons many users hesitate to switch. The truth that is often not discussed openly is that Linux Mint is not designed to replace Windows for everyone. It is designed to replace it for people whose needs align with its philosophy. Gaming is another area where the contrast becomes very visible. Windows 12, following the legacy of previous versions, is expected to remain the primary platform for gaming. DirectX support, driver optimization from GPU manufacturers, and native game releases make it the default choice for gamers. Even with improvements in Linux gaming through platforms like Proton and Steam compatibility layers, not every game runs perfectly, and some anti-cheat systems still block Linux entirely. Linux Mint can run games, and for many titles it performs surprisingly well, sometimes even better due to lower system overhead. But it still exists in a space where compatibility is not guaranteed. For a casual gamer, this might not matter. For someone deeply invested in competitive gaming, it can be a deal-breaker. Privacy is where the conversation becomes more serious. Windows 12 is expected to continue Microsoft's trend of integrating telemetry, cloud syncing, and user behavior tracking to improve services. While this data collection is often justified as improving user experience, it raises concerns for users who value digital privacy. Many settings can be adjusted, but not all tracking can be fully eliminated. Linux Mint, by design, does not include intrusive data collection. There is no central corporation monitoring usage, no forced account system, and no hidden analytics pipeline feeding back to a global server. For privacy-conscious users, this is one of the strongest arguments in favor of Linux. However, privacy also means responsibility. Users must ensure their own system security, updates, and configurations are properly managed. Another aspect that rarely gets discussed is updates and control. Windows 12 is expected to continue the trend of automatic updates, sometimes even installing updates at inconvenient times. While this ensures security, it also removes user control. There have been countless situations where users are interrupted by forced restarts or unexpected system changes. Linux Mint gives users full control over updates. You can choose when to update, what to update, and even whether to update at all. This level of control is powerful but also risky if users ignore important security patches. Again, freedom comes with responsibility. User experience design also differs fundamentally. Windows 12 aims for a polished, unified interface that remains consistent across devices. The goal is simplicity and familiarity. Linux Mint focuses on traditional desktop metaphors that feel stable and predictable. Many users switching from older versions of Windows often find Linux Mint surprisingly comfortable because it does not drastically change its interface every few years. But there is another truth that is often ignored. Windows is designed for the average user, while Linux Mint is designed for the engaged user. Windows tries to anticipate what most people want and simplify it. Linux Mint assumes you want control and provides tools accordingly. This difference defines the entire experience more than any feature comparison ever could. Cost is another major factor. Windows 12, like its predecessors, is expected to be tied to licensing or device-based pricing. Even if it comes pre-installed, the cost is embedded in hardware pricing or ecosystem services. Linux Mint is completely free. There are no licenses, no subscriptions, and no activation requirements. For individuals, schools, startups, and developing regions, this can significantly reduce barriers to entry. However, free does not always mean easier. Linux Mint may require more learning, especially for users unfamiliar with concepts like terminal commands or package management. Although modern Linux distributions have become far more user-friendly, there is still a learning curve compared to Windows. One of the least discussed truths in this comparison is psychological comfort. Windows feels familiar because most people grew up using it. That familiarity creates trust, even when the system becomes heavier or more restrictive. Linux Mint, despite being efficient and stable, often feels unfamiliar simply because it is different. Humans naturally resist change even when the alternative might be better in certain areas. In professional environments, the choice often depends not on ideology but on necessity. Enterprises stick with Windows because of compatibility, support, and infrastructure. Developers, server administrators, and tech enthusiasts often prefer Linux because of flexibility and control. Linux Mint sits in a unique space where it is beginner-friendly compared to other Linux distributions, yet still fundamentally different from Windows. Looking at the future, Windows 12 represents a direction toward centralized computing, AI assistance, and deep integration with cloud ecosystems. It is an operating system that wants to become a digital assistant as much as a platform. Linux Mint represents a more traditional vision of computing, where the operating system is a tool, not a decision maker. The truth that nobody talks about is that neither system is objectively better. They are built for completely different types of users. Windows 12 prioritizes convenience, compatibility, and integration at the cost of control and privacy. Linux Mint prioritizes freedom, stability, and efficiency at the cost of simplicity and mainstream compatibility. Choosing between them is not about which is more advanced. It is about which philosophy matches your expectations from a computer. If you want a system that does things for you, adapts automatically, and requires minimal technical involvement, Windows 12 will likely feel natural. If you want a system that you control, understand, and can modify deeply, Linux Mint offers something far more empowering. In the end, the real truth is not about competition. It is about awareness. Most users never question what their operating system is doing behind the scenes. They accept defaults, follow trends, and rarely explore alternatives. But once you understand what each system represents, the choice becomes much clearer and much more personal. The debate will continue as technology evolves, but one thing remains consistent. The operating system you choose shapes not just your computer experience, but your relationship with technology itself.